Ever wondered how to stay safe while exploring the internet, just like a superhero dodging danger? Let's dive into the online world and discover how to spot the tricky stuff and keep having fun.
Oh, look! A dancing unicorn! I'm gonna click it! Whoa, wait a second, Mina! You shouldn't click things like that. Why not, Sorrow? It looks so fun! Sometimes, those pop-ups can lead to unsafe websites. We have to make sure the website is safe first. Look at all those pop-up ads. Remember what Baba Ali said about not clicking on things that pop up? I am going to ask Baba more about these unsafe pop-up ads. Mama! Baba! Sorrow said I can't click the unicorn. Is it dangerous?
Not everything that looks fun is safe, Mina. Some websites can cause trouble, like putting viruses on your tablet.
That's right, Mina. Always ask one of us before clicking on anything new or strange.
Okay, I'll ask next time. Oh! It says I can play a free game. Sorrow, click on it. It looks so fun. Wait a second. Look at all those pop-up ads. Remember what Baba Ali said about not clicking on things that pop up?
What's all the excitement about, girls?
Mina found a game online, but there are pop-up ads. Is it safe?
Good job checking. Always remember, if something seems too good to be true, or strange, do not click on those ads. It can be dangerous, or you can ask me or any adult.
Sure, Baba. I will ask for help whenever I will see something strange on internet.
Good job, Mina.
Whoa! This place is so cool! Look at the rainbow and trees!
Yeah,
It's like a dream world. But remember, we're still in our super safety mission. Sorrow! Look! Free candy! My favorite! Wait, Mina. What? It says free candy. This forest is so nice, why not? Remember what we talked about earlier? That could be a trick. Just like those pop-up villains we saw before. A trick. But it looks so fun. And it's candy. Exactly. That's what makes it dangerous. Bad websites often use things we love, like candy or games, to get us to click. But they might try to steal our info or give us a virus. Oh! So, if I clicked it, it could mess up our tablet? Yep. And maybe even worse. We always have to be super careful about what we click, even if it looks fun. You're right, Sorrow. I don't need candy that bad. Yay! We are back. Hey, Dua! Sorrow told me not to click on pop-ups. But what happens if I do?
good question, Mina. Sometimes, these websites try to trick you into giving out personal information, like your name or where you live. That's why we never enter our details unless a parent says it's safe.
Also, some websites are just pretending to be fun. They might have viruses or scams that mess up your device. I almost clicked one when I was younger.
That's why we should always use websites that we trust, like the ones Baba and Mama approve, right?
Exactly. And remember, look for the lock symbol in the address bar. It means the website is safer.
And if you're unsure about anything, just ask. No need to rush, right, Mina?
Right. I'll ask you guys next time. Thanks.
It's time for a quiz. What should you do if a website asks for your name and address? Option B, keep it a secret and ask an adult. Why should you avoid clicking on unknown links? Option C, they can lead to viruses and unsafe sites. If you receive an email from someone you don't know, what should you do? Option A, delete it and tell an adult. What can happen if you click on a link in a suspicious email? Option C, your computer might get a virus. Why is it important not to share your password with others? Option B, it keeps your account safe from hackers. Stay tuned, superheroes! Next time, join Mina and Sorrow for an even more amazing adventure in Animated Name.